In this video, I'll show you how to remove your Google account from a laptop. So first, open your Google Chrome browser. Then, click on the three dots at the top right corner and select Account. You can also access this page by typing My Account in the search bar and clicking on the first link. Now, click on Security. Scroll down to the section called Your Devices. Here, you'll see all the devices where you're currently signed in with your Google account. Click on Manage Devices. You'll now see a list of devices like mobile phones, laptops, and desktops, even the ones you've logged into remotely or on another organization's computer. To remove any device, click on it. You'll need to verify it's you. Then click on Sign Out. Next, click on Sign Out again. If you want to remove your Google account directly from this current laptop, click on your profile icon. Then click on Sign Out. Here, click Continue. Now click on Sign In again. Click on Remove an Account, then click on the minus icon. They will ask for confirmation, so click on Confirm. And that's it. That's how you can remove your Google account from your Windows, Mac, or mobile phone. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.